Okay, so let's talk about GameStop. This is an update for the 2nd of February 2021, and the share price has collapsed. Well, not collapsed, but it's halved anyway, which is quite a bit of a collapse, I guess. So it's gone down from 483 a high, or even higher. There was out of market trading that went even higher, down to $225, and it's just dropped further. Okay, now my local time is so I'm in Brisbane. And so it's just the markets are getting ready to open in about half an hour in New York. So I'm rushing this video to get this video out so that people get a chance to see it before the markets open and maybe before they make some crazy decisions. I'm hoping I can stop people doing something crazy. Okay, so at the price collapse, so the New York market's opening soon. This is a quick update video. And the price has collapsed, but it's a short squeeze over. So we're going to talk about a few things along this sort of way. Okay. And again, I urge you to be very careful if people are trying to convince you to buy or hold, or if they're pushing your buttons or getting you involved emotionally. You know, let's stick it to the rich. Let's get our 1%. Let's attack the 1%ers. You've got to be very careful going into a market with those sort of ideas in your head because they'll cloud your judgment. Okay. If something appears to be too good to be true, then it probably is. And of course, I'm not a financial advisor, so nothing I say is financial advice. Okay, so here's the market price as of about an hour ago. So about 7:10 a.m. New York time. It's 225. That was the close of markets. But out of markets trading or pre-market trading, it's down to 149. So it's gone down to nearly half of what it was at close of markets yesterday. Okay, so that's pretty dire. Okay, we're going to be under $100 soon if it keeps going the way it's going. If it keeps going the way it's going. Okay, and so that's not good. You know, there's a great website called Bar Chart. We can get all sorts of information about stocks. And this is from yesterday on the 1st of February, around about 5:35 p.m. my time, which is about 2:35 a.m. New York time. So before the markets opened on Monday, in other words. The recommendations are all for buy and for strengthening positions and all that sort of stuff. So things are looking really good here on barchart.com. Okay, links in the description. And then a few minutes ago, half an hour ago or so, the things have changed quite a lot. So it's weakening. It's no longer strong and strongest. It's now weakening. Lots of weakenings there. So and averages, whereas before it was strong and maximum. Go back a page, it's all maximums. Look, maximum and strengthening and strong. And then today, about half an hour ago, it's averages and weakenings. And so it's changed a lot. Just in 24 hours, it's changed a hell of a lot. What's happening on Wall Street Bets? Okay, there's lots of crazy conspiracy theories. People are going to downvote me for saying that because they're going to come here and see my videos and downvote me. I don't care. I want to tell the truth. There's lots of crazy conspiracy theories on Wall Street Bets. People are claiming all sorts of stuff, usually without much evidence, usually with no evidence. Okay, so lots of people are already posting that they've lost money, and lots of money, hundreds of thousands of dollars people have lost from their high positions, and they call it loss porn on Wall Street Bets. So people are posting lots of loss porn, which people like looking at, which is pretty sad. And lots of people have lost money and are hanging on and not selling. So if the market keeps going down, they're gonna lose any more. Lots of people have bought in at the $300 plus mark, or certainly $200 plus mark. And if they're hanging on still, they've got a chance of getting quite big losses. You know, hundreds of dollars a share in losses. So it's not good. It's not good what's happening. I'm very worried about it. I don't like when people lose money. And I'll also note, for people who don't know, the hedge funds own a lot of GME. The hedge funds own a lot of it. So the price rise has made the super rich hedge funds even richer. Stop and think about that. The super rich hedge funds, which people are fighting against, are even richer because of this price rise in GME. Okay? So if you think that buying GME is hurting the hedge funds, think again. You're not hurting them at all. Okay, so this idea of let's stick it to the 1%, let's get these mongrels, let's get some money out of their pockets for a change. You're not doing it. You're not hurting them at all. Okay, all that's happened is the price has gone up and now it's coming down again. And will it keep going down or will it go up again? Nobody knows. Okay, so how much GME do I own? I own zero. I still own zero. I missed the boat, and there's no way I'm going in when it's already gone 100x. It's already increased 100 times from what it was. But 6 months ago, it was under $4 a share, and then it went well over $400 a share. So we've seen 100 times increase. There's no way I'm going in now. I know when a party's over, and this feels like it's over to me, or at least winding down. Okay, am I right or not? I don't know. No one knows. Okay, but to me, it does feel like the beginning of the end. Okay, the rise has certainly gone. The mania is gone and come and gone. The price has risen and fallen back down, and that's usually where she ends. It's usually a big spike in prices, and that's it. But who knows? I'm not an expert. Who knows? So what do I advise you do? Well, be very careful. If you're going into the market now, be very, very careful. If you're staying in the market now, be very, very careful. Don't get wound up with crazy conspiracy theories, because they will cloud your judgment and you'll end up making silly mistakes that you'll regret. Always do your own research. Don't believe other people. Be very careful of FOMO, the fear of missing out, like we've talked about in prior videos. And do not let FOMO control you or cause you to make crazy, reckless decisions. They're my advice to you. Be careful of people trying to talk you into parting with your money or staying into a market that you think you should be getting out of. Don't let people talk you into stuff. Make your own decisions. Do your own research. Make your own decisions. And be very careful of getting emotionally involved, that I talked about in earlier videos. Let's stick it to the 1%. Let's get some money out of those guys for a change. That's not a good that's not a good reason for entering the market. Okay. You want to enter the market with a very clear, logical mind. One guy I will recommend is Stock Markets with Bruce. I've been watching these videos for the last few nights. They tend to be quite long. This one, they're about 8 hours. He does talking during the while the markets are open, and he explains what's going on, and people asking questions, and he answers their questions. What's a gamma short? What's a short squeeze? All that sort of stuff. People asking questions. A really nice guy. He's got 45 years of experience in the stock market, working as a trader and all that sort of thing, managing his own firms. So he's a great guy, a really nice guy. Stock Markets with Bruce. I'll put the link in the description, and there's another photo of him. He's a really friendly guy, really nice, and he loves talking to people, and he's great to watch. So rather than reading Reddit forums or social media forums, you're much better off watching Bruce. He knows what he's talking about. Okay, link in the description. And usual disclaimer. So just what I talked about before. So I'm not a financial advisor, so nothing I say is financial advice. Always do your own research. But I hope this quick update video was useful. It's now 8:11 a.m. New York time, so the New York markets are about to open. So I'll upload this now, and it'll be uploaded in about 20 minutes, less than 20 minutes. I'll get there just as the market opens. So I'm hoping this might help some people and stop them doing something they might regret. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope it was useful. Have a nice day. Good luck with the markets. Be very, very careful. Gosh, it's already gone up 100 times. You've got to be very careful. Very, very careful. Okay, good luck, everyone. Take care.